How to contact customer service on crypto.com. To contact to the customer service of crypto, first of all, what you need to do is open any browser you have in your device. For now, I'm opening Safari, and then on the searching bar, search for crypto.com contact. Once you search this, you will see crypto.com email ID and phone number. You can either use email address and email them about your issue, or you can also directly contact with them using this phone number. So in this very easy step, you can easily contact to customer service on crypto.com. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.